In a misty Himalayan forest, Fiocco, the smallest red panda cub, was born with soft autumn fur, big black eyes, and a lively tail. His loving mother taught him to climb trees and eat sweet bamboo, while he happily played with his siblings. One winter day, a fierce blizzard separated Fiocco from his family. He slipped from a branch, got lost in the snow, and ended up alone, cold and hungry. He cried weakly for his mother, but spent days suffering in loneliness, growing thin and sad. Finally, his determined mother found him. She hugged him warmly, followed by his siblings. Fiocco cried with joy, reunited and happy once more.